Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the brief introduction of SolidWorks. At the beginning, we can see a dialog box like this. To create a 3D model, a simple 3D model, we need to click on the part. To create an assembly of different parts, we need to click on the assembly, and we need to create a drawing. We have to move on to the drawing part. So first of all, we are discussing about the part drawing. So click on the part drawing in the welcome box. So here you can see the drawing interface. So at first we need to specify the units. The unit must be in millimeter, gram, second. So click on that. Make sure it is in millimeter. The next thing, we need to define the plane that we need to sketch. Here we can see the front plane. Here we can see the top plane. Here we can see the right side plane and also the origin. So first we need to visualize which plane to draw an object. Or we can go here also. We can select the different planes over here. If we click on the front plane, we can see like this. This is the viewing orientation. So this is the different type of orientation. And when we click on the front plane, we will get like this. So this is the orientation, viewing orientation, view orientation. The next thing we need to discuss about the zoom in and zoom out. So when we scroll the mouse wheel, we will zoom in and zoom out. The next one, to pan, we need to click Control, then drag the mouse button. So this is the 3D pan. If we click only the mouse button, we are able to revolve the plane. So we need to know about the zoom in, zoom out, pan with the control, and only with the mouse wheel we are able to revolve the plane. To bring back, we can click on the front view. The orientation will be correct. And over here, we can see the Features tab and the Sketch tab. The Features tab is to make the 3D object. The Sketch tab is mainly to draw the 2D object. So the Sketch tab is for the 2D drawing. The Features tab is for the 3D modeling. For example, when we click on a line over here, here we can see the orientation of the line also. We can draw a line. We can see the snapping tool also. So this is a closed surface. When we need to give the dimension, we can click the smart dimension. So we can edit the dimension to 120 and we can edit this thing to 60. So we can edit even after the drawing. So when it is done, we can click OK. So this is the 2D drawing. Now we are moving to the 3D modeling. So the simple 3D extension is the extrude boss or extrude base. As you can see, it is extruded by 10 mm. We can edit over here. We can give a value 30 and we can change the direction that is here. When we click here, the direction is reversed. We can click the mid plane. So the total thing, the 30 will be from the middle. So there are a lot of other options also. If we need any other option, we can go through this options here. Then after that, we can click OK. To make the printout, we can click here, make drawing from part assembly, save and insert. They will ask about the paper size. We can click on A3 or A2, or we can even browse the template. Now click on OK, and we can click whatever views we need. So this is the front view. We can click the top view. We can click and drag the top view. We can even set the side view or the isometric view. We can change the style. We can change the style if we need it, the display style, and we can set the scale also. Here it is 1:1. We can use the custom scale 1:2. Then it will be reduced. We can use the 1:1 also. We can use the dimensions also and click on OK. Then we can take the PDF printout. Print to PDF here and click on OK. Here we can see the layout. Thank you.